second grade. Since this week we started learning about the warm and cool colors, I thought a warm and cool sunset would be the perfect project. Now, you could use colored pencils or crayons or markers or paint, whatever you have at home to color this project. I'm going to be using my markers today. Now, it's going to be helpful to you to use a pencil to start your drawing. I'm going to be using a Sharpie just because I want you to be able to see what I'm drawing on the paper. Make sure your paper is side to side, which is horizontal, since we're drawing a horizon or a sunset. Now, starting at the bottom left of my paper, I'm going to slowly make a wavy line that goes all the way across and touches the other end. Now, going back to the other side, I'm going to do the same thing all over again, and it's okay if your lines look a little bit different each time. Now, just one more time, we're going to go ahead and make another wave all the way across to the other side of our paper. So you'll know you're done when you have 3 wavy lines, and then you'll be ready to draw our sun in the middle of our ocean. And it's just going to be a round curved line, nice and big, right in the middle of your paper. Next, we're going to add rays of light coming from our sun out to the edge of the paper. So these are just straight lines that we're going to make. I'm going to start at my sun and I'm going to go all the way to the edge. So make sure you get that because we want to be able to color inside this entire shape. Now, every time you're done, you're going to start back at the sun and go all the way to the edge of the paper. You'll notice that it's smaller when you start it, but then towards the end, it gets a lot wider. That's good. That's how we want it to look. Now repeat that step until you fill in the entire rest of your background with rays of light. All right, now we get to add some color. Now, this is the fun part. We're gonna add some cool colors into our waves. So our green, blue, and purples for that cool water. And then our warm colors, orange, yellows, and reds, will go into the rays. Just make sure to use a yellow for the sun. Now, let's see if I can work some magic and get this coloring done quick. Ta-da! I guess I do still have some magic left. Now you see that I'm all finished coloring. I have purple as a cool wave. I have a blue cool wave and a green cool wave so that I've got all 3 of the cool colors. And in my background, I created a pattern with the warm colors. So I have red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow, red, orange. Now, I'm sorry if my red, oranges, and yellows don't really look red, orange, and yellow. My markers kind of looked a little different when they got down on the paper. But just remember, you're using red, orange, and yellow for your sunset. You could use colored pencils, like I said, or crayons or paint if you have some. Now, when you're all done with your artwork, you're going to click Add Response in Seesaw, and you'll see a spot for you to add a photo of your artwork and then submit it to me for your assignment. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this week's activity. I'll see you guys soon, and I can't wait to see all of your beautiful artwork.